that's you and me. All day, that's us, boo. Came through it.
Six real. Stash man. Me never feel no way. Them try style me already, them can't get the chance to do it again. Me never feel no way. Me never feel no way. My girlfriend. Yeah, people are going. Yeah, man, hopes everybody good. You see me, just go and big up on yourself, man. We gotta get right to it, though, still. Yeah, man, I kick it off like this. So, Stashman Production. Yeah, man, them just release a project, man, on the Carefree Rhythm. People, I'm telling you, the rhythm bad. The rhythm terrible, people. You see me, I say, if you don't know meds the rhythm yet, or meds the song them on the rhythm, would advise them to meds the rhythm and the song them. You see me, after a video though, you see me, I have meds this first. But me not lie, man. You see me, I start off with the squash pan rhythm, feel no way. You see me, I say. Now, you have a whole heap of bad artists pan rhythm, but them two songs I went dropping on my lap first, so I just deal with them two songs first, you see me? But yeah, man, kick it off like this. Stashman. Me never feel no way. Them try style me already, them can't get the chance to do it again. Me never feel no way. Me never feel no way. My girlfriend texts on my phone this morning, so she got cut. Me never feel. Yeah, man, feel like that song a forward now. Right time, people. Time when enough people they need to hear this. You see me say? And people, before they run with a certain narrative, we just want to make certain things clear. People, we don't want to use this song for going like you're more than an ex-man or you're better than somebody else. You get me, I say? At least you're not supposed to want that. Just made some, I say. Use the song as a self-esteem boost. You see me? I'm showing my talk. The dog say, them try style you already. Now make them get the chance to do it again. Just no feel no way. You see me? Man said, my girlfriend text my phone this morning. So she got cut. I didn't even feel no way. You get me, as a people? Now, my biggest takeaway from the song is basically life goes on, people. Again, that's just my opinion. It seemed positive, and I that me choose to take away from it. You see me, I say? Don't feel no way when certain things reach you now. Yeah, man. Because not every day you feel like you're strong enough to hold your own. You see me? But that's on a song like this, remind us it's possible. You see me, I say? Big up the 6 bars. Squash man, do it again. Big up yourself, dog. I'm not lie. You see me? And we know Squash with the songs like this, but a good while when I get a message like this from Squash, and Squash me I tell I say, yo, yeah man, I hit man, job well done. And big up yourself, Squash. You see me? I say, powerful words, people, and it just have a catchy flow too. You know, yo, that's meds already, man. I tell you, man. Big up Stashman Production, cause I hear beat help carry the song. The entire production deserve the credit. Solid beat. The lyrics them relatable, brother. You see me? And the melody, the point said we. People, we need to go cop the song and put it on repeat, cause it bad. Them wolf in a sheep always a pretend. Silently them want my brain fly like pigeon. Oh, me feel a way them never there from begin. Them try style me already, me I tell her your stash man. We didn't even feel no way. You send them a message and you get a blow tick. You didn't even feel no way. People, the man say, oh, me feel a way when them never there from begin. Even more reason for shake off some people on your journey. Them never did there when it a begin. So not make them opinion negatively alter your movements pan the way. You think me I say? Dog say, you send them a message and get a blue tick. That's another key to our happiness, so we can't feel no way. Brother, the man sang powerful. You dig me I say? Yo, just remember say, yo, them frivolous thing there. Another key to your happiness. They little thing that people are worried about on a daily basis. No little text but no blue tick. Yo, not busy about them thing there. Yo, no just made the song, man. And just big up the 6 bars again. Squash, big up your damn self on a job. Well done, people. You see me I say? Yeah, man, go copy song, man. And just like that, people, I'll keep it moving.
No lift weights but my feelings strong. Want on my present man to ex-man. You have everything what me want, be seem like a potential man. Love when the main man acting up wrong, come and get time for call. Potential man, aka what a man, cause I know to make the thing fall.
Yo, so catch a pre now. Shenseea. Shenseea say she wants on her present man to ex-man. So the next man have everything what she wants, so him seem like a potential man. You see, up to that point, we could rock with what she has to say. People, we can see through everything she said up to that point in her song. But you see, after that line there, I keep it real now. My girl say, love when the main man acting up wrong, cause me get time to call the potential man, aka weatherman, cause him know how to make the thing fall. Now people, we can understand when a person start lose interest in our relationship. Think me say, we can understand when a man or a woman act up and them partner have to pray to find somebody else, cause this is not for them anymore. Get me say? Can understand all of that. But you see that string along people thing there, while you take other man, I not depend on that. I not think I should have to explain why that I want fat zero. A loose girl makes them there. Quality woman that makes them thoughts there. You get me? Shenseea, much respect, but another message that your fans need for hear right now. Remember say, I know every man can hold it certain way, and we have to try stop the violence against women. I know it that moment, is it? And if you're a real fan of the artist, if you can put an X when I see big rang bang on the paper, you see me I say? Cause no self-respecting woman if you want to practice this. On the one hand, me get say she an entertainer, but as we just take notice on the same with them people. And multiple messages I can send with the talent. Just my opinion that was still, but you see me, I know the smeds more I sang.
My man fall short, but me now me sword cause over one time. Yeah, every day is another fight. Me man under me skin like a cellulite. Me wish my man coulda so we fuck so him can learn it now. Me love it when you cut me up on the furniture. Birthday suit we ready for the journey, yeah. Grip in your tight.
So me I talk about people. No bro, that's a low blow, and that's another type of man like get. Your man fall short, but you now miss out cause over one tall. Let me say that again. She say our man fall short, the main man, Zane, but she now miss out cause you know over one tall. So just go there with the potential man now. People tell me if I'm wrong. I don't saw me see it now. Just go there with the potential man now. And people, this is the next reason why I said this nothing go on. The potential man now go there with her now. You know why? Cause him sign up for be a bunner man. Nothing else. So if the main man left, you really think so the side man, the potential man. Brother, him no want no promotion. Side man stay to the video light. But as I say people, it sound like the main man and not your cup of tea anymore. So why keep him around for the endure all of that? You think I'm say? Now, when the main man go find out say all that are going and film triplic, him want fly the next man tomorrow and you follow shortly after. No fam. Realize say art no use in a relationship again. A souvenir that. But people, at least use on a conscience. The main man somebody pitney too. I have the tables they turn. You don't have to do that to nobody girl child either. You get me? Yeah, people. That's my opinion still. Hear me say. Big ups to the two artists them. Pane rhythm. Hear me say. I'm gonna do a phenomenal job. You see me lyrics wise, delivery wise. Me nah lie, you know. Song them shot. Catchy flow. Contagious. Melody up there. But I just the message them, you see me I say. But one me can't agree with, but the next one me can't agree with. You see me, a different opinion still. That's my take on it was still people. As me say, our opinion everybody entitled to them own. You see me? Just let me know what you have to say in the comment section. Zane? Like and share the video so others can have a say as well. Also, what should the next conversation be about? You see me, just send it to my IG man, just DM me. You see me, trill underscore them. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And we do it again tomorrow. Zane people, I'm out.
Me no bankrupt. Me no day in jail, that's for the handcuff. Money in our pocket, you know me tank up. So here you know we run prof.